Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. In today's video, I am going to show you how to calculate monthly rent per square foot on your calculator. So guys, for example, you have an apartment and the area of that apartment is 750 square foot. Okay, and the monthly rent of that apartment is $3,000. Okay, so to find out the rent per square foot, we have to divide this 3000 with 750, which is the area of that apartment in square foot. So we divide 3000, we divide it with 750. Okay, then we press the equal button. So our answer is 4. So $4 is the rent per square foot for that particular apartment. Let's move to another example. Let's say we have an apartment and the area of that apartment is 400 square foot. Okay, and the monthly rent of that apartment is $2,000. Okay, so what we will do is we divide this 2000 with 400. Okay, so we divide it with 400, which is the total area of that apartment in square foot. Okay, then we press the equal button. So our answer is 5. So guys, $5 is the rent per square foot for that apartment. So guys, this is how you can calculate the rent per square foot on your calculator. So guys, please like this video and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.